वक्त सबको मिलता है ज़िंदगी बदलने के लिए, लेकिन ज़िंदगी दोबारा नहीं मिलती वक्त बदलने के लिए। टुडे आई हैव चूजन अ टॉपिक, वैल्यू ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. So before starting the topic, we must understand what is discipline and why it is important. Everything you do will make a difference. You have a dream and vision. That dreams motivates you get going. But that is not enough. After that, what you need is discipline. And discipline is what keeps you going. Discipline is the bridge which connects your present state with your dreams. A social scientist, K. Anders Ericsson, who wanted to see how do people become world class. Are they really born with such a talent? Or does it develop by practice or discipline? In any field, people who become world class leaders, artists, writers, speakers, or sportsmen, how they reach that level of proficiency? In this regard, he discovered 10,000 hour rule. That 10,000 hour repeated practice distinguishes them from everybody else. With this rule, they have developed greater ability to tolerate pain than others do. Everybody says Michael Phelps, who is most awarded medalist in the history of modern Olympic. So was he just born so talented? People forget that he was practicing 6 hours a day, 365 days a year for 6 years span. With this span, he completed 13,140 hours against 10,000 hours. All of you know Major Dhyan Chand, magician of hockey, for his superb ball controls with hockey stick. Somebody asked him how he succeeded in his life. Was it by the will of succeed? The answer he gave was no. It was by the will of prepare. And that part people forget. That will of prepare requires discipline. A very famous line said by Bruce Lee: I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. So in the journey, there are 4 phases: starter, learner, doer, expert. So transformation from starter to expert was really amazing. And people don't realize it happens. And it is only possible if you know the value of discipline. Now signing out with very famous quote said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam: if you want to shine like a sun, first you burn like a sun. Stay awesome, stay productive. Thank you.